Bernie. I'm going outside with this dog. Yes. Okay, Bernie. Bernie, I'm out here in Crocs and there's like 3 inches of snow. So get to work. Get to the point, pup. Look at how deep this is. Like, I'll put my foot in and it sinks. Yeah, you making laps around me? You sneezing? Up. Huh? Come on, Bernie. Her pee spot is completely gone. It was like right here. Out here, my blanket. Oh God, I'm getting all snowy. Bernie, I'm getting snowy. I know you're a mountain dog. I know you love the snow, but like, do something. Oh, no, you're gonna trap me. Bless you, poopers. Bless you. Oh, don't look. Look, your spot barely made a dent over there. Here, let me get a video of your feast over here. Okay, puppy. Yeah, have your feast, Burn. Feast. Oh yeah, Burn doggy. You coming in? Bernie, come in. Bernie, come on. Come on, pup. Come on. Inside. Bernie, shake. Shake. Bernie, you still didn't get it all. You're still all snowy. Woof, bird dog.